Use wood clamps. Woodworking projects are almost impossible to complete without wood clamps in the picture. However, with the number of clamps available for woodworking, it is almost impossible to determine how to use one for a specific project. Not to worry, though. This almost impossible task can be made easier through these steps. Take note of the different kinds of wood clamps available. Depending on your project, you require a specific kind of wood clamp to ensure that your project will turn out to be good in the end. For instance, the pipe clamp is the one to choose if you have moderate or heavy projects. Other clamps can include the bar clamp, belt clamp, makeshift clamp, and the like. Make sure you know which clamp to choose for a specific project, because too much pressure coming from a clamp for a project will not do you any good. The same is true for using a tool that can provide less pressure than needed. Use a pipe clamp for a heavy woodworking project. There are different sizes of pipe clamps available for your use. Pick one that is appropriate for your project. Start using it by loosening its attachment screw and placing it onto the pipe's length. Once done, tighten the screws. Work on the wood by placing a piece of wood in the jaws of the clamp and then crank the tool to let it hold the wood. Use a belt clamp for your smaller woodworking jobs. This is true if you have a project that requires less pressure. However, take note that you may require 2 or more bar clamps in a single time, especially if you are working on a project that has a lot of pieces, such as that of gluing a chair together. Use belt clamps for large woodworking projects. The belt clamps are made of nylon. They are effective for a large piece of wood, as the clamp can embrace and add pressure all around a large bulk of wood you are working with. Protect the finish of the wood projects you are working on. This is true no matter what kind of wood clamp you are using for applying pressure to the wood. Use wax paper rolls on the jaws of the clamp so that no matter how much pressure there is, the finish of the wood will not be stained or damaged. Make your own clamp for your woodworking projects. You can create an improvised clamp if you do not have access to any of the above tools. You can use a pair of pliers to hold the wood and then secure the handles with a rubber band. You can place scrap wood in the middle of the wood and pliers if you need to protect the finish of the wood you are working with. You cannot create a wooden chair without using even a single clamp during the creation process. This is true for all other woodworking projects you may have in the future. Hence, It is always important that you learn how to use wood clamps to ensure that you gain the best results in any of the projects you are working on. After all, it does not require a genius to learn how to use wood clamps with efficiency.